Here is another question from one of our viewers. They wanted to know why we bother installing the roof purlins to where the narrow edge is connecting to the bottom of the roof rafter, because it would be easier to just nail them flat against the bottom of the rafters. But that isn't going to provide us with enough strength. So in this video, I will provide you with some of the math that might get you thinking about why we not only don't install them flat, but why we might consider using larger lumber for our purlins. So let's take a look at a standard 2x4 if we lay it flat to where the 1.5 inch depth, where its bending strength or inertia is only 0.98. But if we flip it on edge so that the 3.5 inch side is fighting the gravity, that number jumps to 5.36. And all we did was simply rotate the board 90 degrees to create a connection that's going to be 5.4 times stiffer without adding a single ounce of extra wood. And to wrap things up for the video, feel free to pause the video at any point and check out some of the other numbers that you will get by using larger lumber. Now, the thing I need to point out, and this is important, you can use larger lumber, but you also might consider using larger bracing. For example, you might consider using a 4x4 or a 6x6 to transfer a heavier load that might be requiring a larger purlin. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.